Good morning, students. Welcome to the series of lesson number 14, Air Around Us. We have read in the previous video the importance of air, why air is important for us, and what are the properties of air. Now more properties we will discuss in this video. Yes, beta. Have you seen? Have you fly the kite ever? Yes, you have fly. And you note down that what is the direction of movement of the kite? Yes, kite. In any direction kite moves? No. Kite moves in the direction where the air is moving. It means air has direction. Air blows in a direction. You can see when the leaves are moving, you can note down, you can observe in which direction leaves are moving. If you will see, as in the diagram, you are watching from a chimney, smoke is coming out from a chimney, and this smoke is moving in some direction. In which direction? Where the air is moving. It means air has direction. Sometimes what happen when you are moving with your mother in the market and wind blows very fastly, then what happen? Your hairs, your clothes also fly in one direction. It means the air has direction. Okay. Then when you fly kite in the sky, then you feel kite is, when no air is moving, your kite also does not move. And when the air is blowing, your kite also blows in the direction. It means air has some force, because air helps your kite to fly. And you feel when storm comes, means when the wind blows very fast, what happens? Trees fall down, electric poles falls down, break down, and kacha house you have seen, huts you have seen, roofs, even the roofs of the huts blow in the direction of the force, because the air has force. And my dear students, during summer break, where do you go with your parents? Very good. During the summer, where do you go for enjoying? On the mountains. Why? Because during summer on the mountains it is cooler. Why it is cooler on the mountains? Why air becomes cooler? Because as we go higher, beta, as we go higher and higher, air becomes cooler and cooler. Okay, and we cannot see or smell the air. As I have already I have already told you, we can feel air, but we can't see air. Okay, now air has speed also. You have seen when strong winds are blowing, your hairs, your clothes also blow in the direction of air. It means air has speed. And these properties, air has direction, air has force, air has speed, you have to learn all the properties. How many properties we have done? First property, air is a mixture of many gases, water vapors and dust particles. Second property, air has weight. Third property, air has space. Fourth property, air has direction. Fifth property, air has force. And last property, air has speed also. Now you have to do this exercise. What you have to do in this exercise? You have to do in this exercise, you have to circle the things that can move higher in the air. Yes, in the first circle you have to do yourself. And in next video we will discuss these things. You have to think whether in the first picture balloon you are watching, and in the second picture you have to first write down the things which you are watching, and then you have to think whether these things can move higher in the air or not. Yes, very good. Then you have to do this exercise yourself. Wait for the next video. In the next video we will study about the uses of air. Okay beta, bye bye.